Hi, in this tutorial we will go through the steps of evaluating function. You might then ask, how do we evaluate function? If nakalimutan na ninyo, tara, mag-review tayo. This is Instructor A and I am your tutor for today. To evaluate a function is to replace or substitute any variable with its given number or expression. Example, evaluate a function for the given value of x. So basically, you are asked to find the value of this function when x is equal to 7. And since our function is fx is equal to 2x plus 5, and our x is equal to 7, all you have to do is to substitute or replace x to 7. So from f of x is equal to 2x plus 5, we can write it down as f of 7 is equal to 2 times 7 plus 5. Take note, the operation between 2 and x here is actually multiplication. So, again, the word is substitute or replacement. Instead of writing x, it is now 7 because ang binigay na value sa atin ay 7. So, we need to multiply 2 and 7. And 2 times 7 is equal to 14, added 5. May plus 5 pa eh. F of 7 is equal to 14 plus 5. All you have to do is to add these two numbers. And 14 plus 5 is equal to 19. So therefore, when x is equal to 7, f of x is equal to 19. Ang ibig lang sabihin, the value of the function 2x plus 5 is equal to 19 when x is 7. As for letter B, the function is 4x minus x squared when x is equal to negative 3. So we are asked to evaluate the value of this g of x when x is equal to negative 3. Again, kung paano natin sinolve sa letter A, ganun din naman dito sa letter B. All you have to do is to substitute all x to negative 3. And take note, meron na naman ulit tayong 4x dito. So, ito ay 4 times x. At meron din po tayong x squared, meaning to say that we are to multiply whatever the value of that x ng dalawang beses. In this case, it's negative 3 times negative 3. Okay? So, instead of writing g of x, it is now g of negative 3 equals 4 times negative 3 minus the quantity of negative 3 squared. Wag na wag kalimutan ng close and open parenthesis at ipasok ang negative sign. Kasi ang ibig pong sabihin yan, yung negative 3 ay itatimes mo, itatimes sa sarili niya ng dalawang beses. So, it's negative 3 times negative 3. Okay? So, again, copy g of negative 3, copy equals, when you are to multiply positive 4 and negative 3, this is positive times negative, so the answer is negative. And 4 times 3 is equal to 12, so it's negative 12. Minus, ayan, minus. Take note that if we are to multiply negative 3 by negative 3, so dalawa pong negative yun, negative times negative, it's positive, and 3 times 3 is equal to 9. So therefore, the quantity of negative 3 squared is equal to positive 9. Next, simplify more. G of negative 3 is equal to negative 12 minus 9 is equal to negative 21. Na ang ibig sabihin, tulad ng sinabi ko kanina, the value of the function g of x is equal to 4x minus x squared is negative 21 when x is equal to negative 3. Sorry, this must be g of x kasi ang ginamit kong function ay g. So, g of x is equal to negative 21. Okay? I think we are now ready to answer 10-item multiple choice questions on evaluating function. Question number 1. Given the function f of x is equal to 3x plus 4, what is f of 2? Kung kaya ng mental math, mas maigi. Sabi nga ng diniscuss ko kanina, all you have to do is to substitute. At meron naman tayong 3x, so this is 3 times whatever the value of your x. But given that x is equal to 2, so this is just 3 times 2 plus 4. And 3 times 2 is equal to 6 plus 4 is equal to 10. So the answer for this problem is letter C, positive 10. Question number 2. If the function g of x is equal to x squared minus 2x plus 1, what is g of 3? What is g of 3? Okay, so x squared, this is 3 squared. And 3 times 3 is equal to 9. Minus 2 times 3, this is 6. Plus 1. So meron tayong 9 minus 6 plus 1. 9 minus 6 is 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. The answer for question number 2 is A, positive 4. Question number 3. For the function h of x is equal to 5 minus x, what is h of negative 2? So the given value for x here is negative 2. Kaya magiging 5 minus negative 2 ito. Itong function ng h of x. Ayan, 5 minus your x now is negative 2. So this becomes 5 plus 2. I think napagdaanan na natin to sa integers. Ito, very particular tayo dito. Minus and negative. So this becomes plus. So 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. Therefore, the answer for question number 3 is positive 7. Question number 4. Evaluate k of x equals 2x squared plus 3x minus 4 at x is equal to negative 1. So, solve agad. 2 times negative 1, quantity squared. Don't forget again to please write the parentheses. Plus 3 times negative 1. Yan. Minus 4. We are actually following the PEMDAS rule. Sana hindi nyo pa sila nakakalimutan. The PEMDAS, parentheses, exponent, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. Yan. Explain ko. Copy 2. The negative 1 squared is negative 1 times negative 1. Kaya ako dito nag-1 lang or positive 1. Hindi po yan negative 1 times 2. Mali po yan. Pakiklaro po ang ating knowledge about that. Kasi kalimitan dyan talaga nagkakamali ang mga estudyante. So, 2 times positive 1 na siya ngayon. Next, positive 3 times negative 1. This is positive times negative. The answer is negative. 3 times 1 is 3. Minus 4. Pwede na tayo mag-solve from left to right. 2 times 1 is 2. 2 minus 3, negative 1. Negative 1 minus 4, negative 5. So the answer for question number 4 is negative 5. Question number 5. If h of x is equal to 2x plus 3, find the value of x if h of x is equal to 9. So ito naman po ay baliktad. Binigay ang mismong value ng function. Ang sabi dito, the value of the function is equal to positive 9. Ang tinatanong naman, what is the value of your x? So, naglagay na po ako dito ng solution sa gilid. The given function is h of x is equal to 2x minus 3. Yan. Next, the given value for h of x is equal to positive 9. Ito po yung naka-arrow. So, this is 9 equals 2x plus 3. Sunod na step, apply addition property of equality kasi kailangan po nating ma-omit itong positive 3 na to At para mag-0 lang siya, magma-minus tayo ng 3 sa magkabilaan side ng equation. Kasi kung ano yung ginawa natin sa right side, ganun din po ang gagawin natin sa left side. Kaya nga siya equation equal dapat. So dito, positive 3 and negative 3 is equal to 0. Ang tawag natin dyan ay neutral pair. Yan ang tawag natin. Dito naman, ang natitira, 9 minus 3 equals 2x. So 9 minus 3 is equal to 6. Ayan. Equals 2x. Next, ang problema natin ngayon ay paano ba matatanggal yung 2 na katabi ng x. Ito. Kasi dapat, diba, ang maiwan lang nating variable ay x lang. That is the value of your variable x. So, 6 is equal to 2x. Sana naalala pa ninyo ang DPE, Division Property of Equality. Para makancel po itong positive 2, mag-divide din po kayo ng 2. At since nag-divide ka ng 2 sa right side ng ating equation, mag-divide ka rin ng 2 sa left side. So, 2 divided by 2 is equal to 1. Ang naiwan na lang po ay x. Ayan. Or that is 1x. Hindi na natin sinusulat ang 1. 6 divided by 2 is 3. So, therefore, the value of x is equal to positive 3 and that is letter B. Question number 6. If f of x is equal to 4x minus 3, what is the value of f of x when x is equal to 5? Siguro naman this time, alam na natin ang mental math. So, 4 times x or 4 times 5 is 20. Minus 3, 17. So, letter C. Question number 7. Determine the value of x if f of x is equal to 7 for the function f of x is equal to 2x plus 3. So, katulad din po ito ng question number 5. Given ang mismo value ng f of x, and that is positive 7. Tapos, yung function daw ay 2x plus 3. And this is the solution. Ayan. So, therefore, our x is positive 2. Question number 8. Which of the following is the correct value of f of 3 for the function f of x is equal to x squared minus 2x plus 1? So, the given value for x is positive 3. This is 3 squared. 3 times 3 is 9. Minus 2 times 3 is 6. Plus 1. 9 minus 6 plus 1. Again, it's 9 minus 6, 3 plus 1, 4. Positive 4. Question number 9. What is the variable in the function below? F of x is equal to 2x squared minus 3x plus 1. Hindi po tayo magsusolve. Ang tinatanong lang, what is the variable in the function? Okay? So, that is letter C. The variable there is x. Question number 10, last question. What is the output for f of t equals 2t minus 17 when t is equal to 6? So, this is 2t, 2 times t or 2 times 6. Ano yan? 12. And 12 minus 17 is equal to negative 5. So, the answer for this question is letter A, negative 5. And that will be our last question. Again, this is Instructor A. Sana meron po tayong natutunan. Thank you. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.